Alright everybody, I wasn't going to do this because I've already done 2 videos on ABSs with similar issues, but I think if I remember correctly, these do not have magnet wheels, so I guess I'll bring you along. I think that the axles have tone wheels. You can see the same problem. We cancel the merge. Oh boy. Alright, we pull over now. Again, I'm on some back roads, so this is not dangerous. Show selected. We'll do the 2 rears. I don't even have to compare it. I mean, you can see it. It's pretty repetitious. So I'd assume something's wrong with the tone wheel, whatever it is, whether it's a magnet or it's a ring. I don't think there's anything wrong with the ABS sensor. It's very rhythmic, if you will. So let me get back to the shop. I guess I'll show you that the code was a 1236-20 for input missing, which as you can see, the input's not missing, it's just erratic, if you will. It should really have erratic code, but this is not a Chrysler product. This is a Ford, so you know. I'll put it up in the air and I'll bring you back along with me for some reason. Alright everybody, sorry about the diesel noise, but I can't do anything about it. I have looked at this tone wheel. It is right here. It's very visibly easy to see. You probably won't be able to see good in the video. But to my surprise, there is nothing wrong with it. I have spun this wheel quite a few times and there's nothing wrong with it. I've got the car on. Oh, unzoom. Oh, wrong way, bud. I've got this here, and if I spin this as hard as I can, that time I actually had something happen. But most of the time you get nothing. I'll spin the right side, and very easily have something. I have them zoomed all the way in, 8 and 4, 8 and 4. So yeah. Right now I'm gonna spin this and try to wiggle, see if I can get this thing to come in. I wish it was all-wheel drive and I could just set it straight. Probably gonna have to put you guys down. Alright everybody, so if you're wondering, the rear ABS sensor comes into here in the rear seat. Comes through this little grommet that's up under this plastic. The seat bolster thing. So it comes out with one Talon mill that's hidden under here. Then push the cushion back, get that out, and then on the top, it's a yank. This is actually supposed to be in there, but we'll have to take it off to put it back. So you just yank real hard on the top. I got a resistance measurement right now. We're already open circuit, so it technically needs a sensor. But I'm gonna do some wiggling and see if I can get this to come back, because obviously it was doing something while we were driving. Alright, I think my front probes were not in right. Right now I'm reading 1.4 mega ohms, which is definitely too much. I'm gonna go to the other side and measure what that one is, just for redundancy. But obviously that one's too much. It should not be that high. It's basically open circuit. That's super high resistance. It's in the millions of ohms. So okay, we're on the other side. There's really not much to show you. I have swapped them around. We are now on the ABS sensor harness. As you can see, oh, of course, the second I say, as you can see, well, you can see the dropouts showing up on the right rear and not the left rear. So we'll unplug this, plug this back in. Should have the same thing over there. So we know that the problem is on the left rear. Now I'm going to recheck the tone wheel, even though the tone wheel is not going to make it not, you know, it's not going to make it intermittently not work at all, but just going to make sure that I didn't miss anything. So So basically, to recap, it needs that sensor, I didn't really show you a scope and how that works on these systems, but I didn't really need it, and I also didn't need a wiring diagram. So I mean, you really don't need it for ABS on most cases. So I don't know if that helps or hurts anybody. It's not really a DIY friendly thing, but if you're gonna parts can it and you're a DIYer, get an OEM sensor. Don't get aftermarket, and replace it. See if it fixed it. If not, do what I did and get 2 jumper wires and cross the other side, see if the problem moves, and then you know at least that it's this way and it's not up there, and possibly either the harness or the ABS module. So pretty lowbrow thing to make it, you know, make your stuff happen. So if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, do all the good stuff. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. All right, everybody, figured I'd show you the confirmed fix on that left rear wheel speed sensor, which is the second one down. I'm on some back roads right now, less than 20 miles an hour. So I'm gonna go for one big loop and everything's good. I already cleared the codes, torqued the wheel, and I think I replaced the serpentine belt too. But yeah, that's a confirmed kill here, ladies and gentlemen, and I actually showed you the fix this time. So I'd like to thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff, and have a great day.